Assalamu alaikum grade 4 children. Today in this video children, teacher is going to continue with the homophones only. Last video also, last lesson also we did for of the homophones. Here on page number, see in your workbook, take out the page number 19 children. Here number 9, question number 9, write the homophones of the words below and use them in sentences. Here the A, B, C, 3 words are given. This flew, flew, niv, niv, great, great. Teacher has written the answer, only the sentence you have to write by yourself. Make the sentence of live, niv and great. And this is your HW. Next, on page number 20 children. Here on page number 20, options are given. One is correct, other one is wrong. So which is correct, we have to circle that. It is always important to keep the goal on sight or sight, sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. I knew, K-N-E-W, I knew that Ramesh was hiding under the bed when we were playing hide and seek. The fair, here the fair, no, F-A-I-R, fair. फेयर एंड फेयर, ये वाला फेयर जो है ना बच्चों, ये किराया होता है. दिस फेयर, ये मेला. The fair has many exciting rides and games. We should always follow the principles, these principles, LES, not PALS. Principles, that means rules of honesty and sincerity, as they can keep us lead a better life. Yes. They can help us, children. Here, it is always great to meet your friends. Which grade? G-R-E-A-T, great. Now, a drive through the valley in this weather, W-E-T-H, weather मतलब मौसम, would be perfect. Somebody painted stars on my ceiling, C-E-L-L-I-N-G, of my room. Then maize is grown, M-A-I-Z-E. Then children, the cat gave birth, B-I-R-T-H, birth to a little of sorry children, here see, the cat gave birth to a little litter of, not little it is, litter of kittens on the terrace. To board a moving bus is dangerous. See children, here the birth, you know, no children, birth means newborn. Then here the boarding means बैठना उसके ऊपर जाकर, on which in the bus or on the in the this also boats also children, that is a boarding, and another board वो bore हो जाना. It is like that. Now children, come on the exercise 11, that one of the words of the following sentence is incorrect. Here the sentence is given, one word is incorrect, we have to correct the word and make the sentence of that correct word. No, not making the sentence. The same sentence we have to write, only to write that incorrect word correct. Close to one's heart is DEER, deer. This deer what you know, हिरन होता है बच्चों. It is an animal. No, but the correct word, it should be close to one's heart is dear. Dear friend, dear mother, dear father. Then, here D-O. Yes children, ये वाला जो dough is used to make a bread and cakes. Dough means आटा. Is used to make breads and cakes. Now, wood is used to make furniture. Here wood, W-O-O-D. This spelling, it is not spelling, the word is wrong. W-O-U-D, wood, it is not correct. Wood is correct. Wood is used to make furniture. Here two birds are given. B-I-E-R-T-H, bird, and here what we have to put here? Birth means to be born. So which birth will come? This birth, it is what? It is in the trains. जो ट्रेन की सीट होती है ना, उसको बर्थ बोलते हैं. दैट इज B-E-R-T-H. बट हियर वी हैव टू राइट मीन्स टू बी बोर्न. यहाँ पे ये वाला बर्थ आएगा B-I-R-T-H. बर्थ मीन्स टू बी बोर्न. Here, come on the page number 21. This page number 21, it is for HW. Here the two words are given. You have to make the sentence with that. Come on page number 22. Here three options are there. Among them one is correct. Here number 1. Woods which this word is sound. The same words which are sound the same have a different meaning are called homophones. They are the words, children. There are dash more birds in the nest, 2, T-W-O-2. Then mark the word that has a homophone. Here in this 3-1 no, our answer is when. This when means अपने अंदर जो बॉडी में होता है. And another when, it is what? खराब हो जाना, बर्बाद हो जाना. In when. In the poem, the little boy talked to his mother. The little boy says we should be kind to all living things. Here children. Now come to the number 6. In the poem, the ship is शिप का साउंड क्या बताया था हमने बुक में पढ़ा था ना. इट इज ब्लीटिंग, क्राई ऑफ अ शिप. द वर्ड कैकलिंग मीन्स व्हाट? लाउड नॉइज. देन शिप गिव अस फ्लीसी वुल. नरम हमको फ्लीसी, सॉफ्ट वन. देन लॉरा रिचर्ड, पोएटेस, वन अ प्राइज. उनको प्राइज मिला था बच्चों. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर अ बायोग्राफी ऑफ हर मदर. देन द पोएट रोट मोर देन हाउ मेनी बुक्स? 100 books, 200 books or 90? More than 90 books. 90 is our answer. So, Assalamu alaikum children. Today we have finished till page number 22. In between some pages we have to do, we will do later on.